I know. It's hot there? Both are hot? Come near here. It's not hot here. It's hot there, anak.
Daddy! What's outside? Daddy!
Because I was looking for this.
Mom, Anita!
Wait.
I got the heart-shaped pedal.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Wrinkled it.
Oh, you wrinkle it?
So,
So it's a wrinkle heart?
because you wrinkled it.
It's a wrinkle heart?
Here you go. It's for you.
Why would you give me a wrinkle heart?
Well, Dad threw away his.
I gave mine to Jelani.
Oh, wow. Jade, you give me a wrinkle heart? Oh, wow, Jade.
Oh, I got the mowing done today. See, I put the mower over there.
You want my wrinkled heart? You eat. Oh! No, it's okay. You give it to baby then.
See right there. That's the trees that we had done so far.
I know Grandma wasn't impressed. Like all that, lots of woods, and that's all you got.
Oh, she thought that seems like a lot to me. Oh, she thought it'd be more.
Yeah.
You are hot.
No,
Oh,
there's
baby
lot
got a
there's
heart?
A lot of trees.
I know.
I got to drop a few more, and I ordered some. So we'll see.
So you ordered and they're coming in?
Mom.
Yep.
Do you want to read
It'd be
time?
nice to get trees this week, but
Okay. Oh, fly away.
kids are like,
Dad, what are you doing?
Trampoline with daddy?
Yeah, what are you trying to read, Dad?
okay, I'm gonna. If I can't find it, I'm gonna throw this away because it's busted. It doesn't work.
Throw it away, Dad.
See this?
Oh,
little thing
she
here,
said
look
throw it
invisible.
away.
Okay.
No, not throw it away, Dad.
Don't throw it away. I'm gonna go look for a little stick. Somehow, maybe I can. But it has to be fiberglass. It can't be.
Grandma can do trampoline. Call Grandma.
Mama, oh.
Grandma's tired.
No. No, Grandma is not old.
Is it really old?
No, she's not old.
Oh, Mama.
Ni Grandma daw mag-trampoline ka raw.
Oh, there's a bee chasing me.
It's a big one.
It's right there in the yellow jacket. We don't like those.
No, you don't like yellow jacket. So did you put bleach hand?
No, I bought 2 gallons of bleach. I'm gonna buy one tonight. I'm gonna put some in tonight.
I want to see my
But there's chlorine going in it.
Okay.
I'll take off your helmet.
Maricar, dyan na naman yung mga ano mo, mumu mo. So when we do that scooter, that'd be nice, huh?
It's not me.
Why?
All of the weight limit on is 200 pounds. What's that down there? Oh, that's somebody's goggles.
My dad did
We gotta go on.
So if you have that scooter, so what is that gonna go up or what?
Yeah, they do that and they jump it and they do flip and stuff like that.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Beanie. Andyan na naman. Eh, may duyan. Duyan.
Whoa.
No, Dad, wait. Stop.
Okay, you go on yours. You go on yours.
Who's next? Julene?
Julie, get off. I don't want you to. Why? I want to drive.
Julene, just go jump with daddy.
Jay, nice.
Say please. Say please.
Nice. Here,
Did you say please?
push your back. Stop.
Did you say please?
Please. Thank
Watch
you.
where you're driving. If you take out the pool, I'm gonna hit you someone blue.
Daddy, watch this. Dad, watch this. Daddy, watch this. Daddy.
Look at grandma.
Oh, yes.
Relaxing. Grandma. Relaxing si grandma. Masarap? Makatulog ka na dyan. Ha? Baka makatulog ka na dyan, mother. Lagay mo yung paa. Pag gusto mo lagay sa paa mo.